This is the 1996 Janitrol air conditioner at my aunt's house. And I think it's either a 2.5 ton or a 3 ton. It is a straight cool unit matched up with a gas furnace. And the gas furnace is down there in the crawl space. I'm gonna take a look at that momentarily. And as you can see, the condenser is very beat up. Basically, what I think happened is the previous owner's dog peed on the condenser, and that's why it's so beat up and eroded. And that is what my aunt's air conditioning technician thought before I even saw pictures of this unit. But even though it is in very rough shape, the air conditioner works fine. Keeps the house very cool. You can actually see the copper tubing in the condenser there. But yeah, it works fine. The house was built in the 1950s. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-story home, just under 1,700 square feet. And I do not know if it originally had central air. Considering how hot it gets in Georgia, I wouldn't be surprised if it did originally have central air. It's like over 90 degrees right now. Furnace is somewhere down in here. I'm gonna need to, oh, perfect. Don't know exactly where it is. I think it's over there somewhere. But yeah, here's the crawl space. There's all the duct work. All right. Let's see if we can get a closer look. Oh yeah, there it is. I didn't see it before. There it is, way over there. Yeah, I'll come back down here later with a flashlight. So yeah, outdoor unit, indoor unit. And my aunt's house also has a tankless water heater. It's gas. It's all public natural gas. Though the stove in the kitchen is electric. But the heat and the water heater are gas. Paloma tankless water heater. Yeah, I'm gonna clean out this unit for my aunt while I'm here. It is so damn hot and humid right now. There is the kilowatt hour meter. And yeah, basically, I'm recommending to my aunt that she gets a gas pack. Since that will probably be a lot easier to service than the furnace in the crawl space. Either a straight cool unit with a gas furnace or a heat pump with a gas furnace. Alright, gonna shut it down now. Alright. Okay, so that is my aunt's 1996 Goodman Janitrol air conditioner. Don't know if it's technically a Goodman or a Janitrol. But it's a straight cool unit, not a heat pump. I think it's got a... It's like Copeland? I can actually see the compressor. It's a Bristol. Bristol reciprocating compressor. It is so damn hot out right now. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. There will be more videos of this unit coming up very soon. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.